Hi! In front of me is Honor X6, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Honor device. You need to begin by opening Play Store. Following that, click on the search bar and type in DevCheck. Like that. And finally, you can install this free app from Flare to Developer, DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, open it. Finally, thanks to it, you can learn all the informations about your Honor's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!